Yeah.
What's that you trying?
Liver.
How's it taste?
Rabbit liver, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Really good.
Look at that. Amazing. Rabbit. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Yes, people. So look, we're outside. Yeah, man. And the link up M.R. We've got BushCraft himself. Yeah, man. A good vibe.
I had to pull over and check I weren't driving to the end of the world a minute ago, because there was just couldn't see nothing.
What, here?
Nothing.
Dead.
I thought, what is this the world?
It's dead, isn't it? I know. The world ends when the streetlights end.
Do you know what I mean?
That's when you know you're in the countryside.
I pulled over just to check I was going the right direction. I thought I've gone off track here, Ringo.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. I was getting scared.
Boy, what one people, so you don't know, say it's a no madness right now, people, yeah, no mad cooking right now, because we got woodland.
Yeah.
Me, M.R, BushCraft, we're going to go and do a madness out in the forest today, people, yeah. Look out for this one, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We're there. We're in that fully badness, you know.
Oi. Give them a spin, Father Ringo.
Ringo Vision, 24-hour bar right here.
Yeah. Cares, it's me.
Yeah, but so these are a little bit watery. If you'd like them more solid, I can put some berry in.
Mate, you'll need a spoon to drink that.
Hey,
Bank account.
hey, Kay.
Ringo.
Well, yeah, man, we're there, man. We're outside fully.
We're here.
No.
Great to see you again.
Great to see you, Kay. Yeah, respect, man.
You too, man.
Thank you for inviting me as well.
No,
Yeah.
thanks for coming, man.
Yeah, man.
You want some wizard juice? It costs 895 quid.
How much?
Rabbit liquid 50p.
Rabbit
Mixed
liquid's the cheap one.
look, or sex booze £4. Porn drink £17.50. The best thing is to
What's
do.
your greatest YouTube video?
The one I enjoyed the most was the one in Buckingham Palace. That was the video that I made where I felt the most alive doing it. You know, I felt like, fuck, this is what I want to be doing.
Yeah.
I really loved that video.
Good
So
vibes.
yeah, I'd go with that one. Yeah.
Knock me off the. Wait, what's this one? Knock me off the what? Off
The slack line.
Where's the slack line?
So the slack line's between the trees there.
Wagwan, everybody, big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Something different today, people, yeah. A bit of narration, link up with BushCraft Tools and M. Camping for 3 days over the course of the weekend, people, yeah. And this is what's been happening, people, yeah. So, we got a bucket, we got chicken, we got fire, we got seasoning, and we're on a ranch, everybody, yeah? So, first and foremost, yeah, we had to get a fire blazing and whatnot, yeah? And then next stage, people, yeah, you're gonna see me start to prepare the chicken and season up the chicken. Guess what I had to use to chop up my chicken? I never have no knife, so I had to draw for the bushcraft way and use an axe. Good vibes. So the chicken now, I'm gonna bust the chicken in half. Yeah, as you can see the chicken now, I'm gonna bust it in half and then start to clean it up, wash it off. And after I clean it up and wash it off, the next stage now, so I'm gonna use the all-purpose seasoning mix, cause say baddest seasoning on the market. Make sure you get your all-purpose seasoning mix, people, yeah, for the Christmas period at least. Get it in your kitchen, good vibes. But back to the business again, people, yeah. See the chicken there, ready. So you know what's next. I'm gonna be applying my seasoning to the chicken, people, yeah. Look at dance, look at vibes, fire ablaze. Dep on the scene, people, as well, yeah. Bushcraft and everybody's in the background. Good vibes. So due to copyright, I had to just mute the whole video because the video had the music from the ranch that was playing in the background. So yeah, everything's on mute and you're getting a narration style, David and Attenborough style from Ringo Vision today, people. Look at the seasoning going into the chicken. Yeah, man, I'm chopping up the chicken now, yeah, to soften it up so that when it goes on the grill, the chicken's a little bit softer and yeah, man, easier to jerk up. So that seasoning that I just used just there, blended up some seasoning from home and whatnot and brought it along with him as well. So I used that with the all-purpose seasoning mix. Good vibes. Yeah, man, the ranch was a good vibes, people, yeah. Like just the whole experience linking up with bushcraft, going on the ranch, cooking on the ranch, are good vibes. Like, look at the ranch, people, yeah. It is, like back in the day, cowboy style and whatnot. You would have had horses and them kind of things there on the ranch, people. So yeah, I just had to give you guys this episode to get me the pan fire ablaze. So I'm gonna roast up some mad chicken in a minute, people. Yeah, good vibes. The whole weekend was amazing still, but it was pretty cold out there. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, man, it was proper cold. But I hope everybody's enjoying this episode. It's a bit different and you're enjoying the video. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cause you don't know, say we're fully outside. Badness are gone. Ringo Vision style, people.
Wagwan, people, respect, thank you. We're outside today, people. Bushcraft has brought me to a big old bushcraft link up. And what's happening today, people? I'm jerking chicken. So what you've seen that's happened today, people, yeah, I've used an axe. I've used the Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning mix. I've used M.Dot's made some jerk seasoning as well. And I've got my axe, people, yeah. So, so I've good vibes. And I've also got a bucket, people, yeah. So what I'm doing today, I'm jerking chicken on top of a bucket, people, today, people, yeah. So a good vibe. So you saw the process of me washing up the chicken, cleaning the chicken, seasoning up the chicken, and also putting the marination inside of the chicken, people, yeah. And also organizing the fire, stoking the fire, people, yeah. So a good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And respect again for 3,000 subscribers, people, yeah. And no mad chef right now, Ringo Vision is out on the loose and you can't stop him, cause bad things are gone. Come and have a look, So what's happening, everyone? I'm gonna just check the chicken. And just what we're gonna do, we're just gonna lift up now. Woo! Very tender here on our grill. Have a look, everyone.
Oh, the best moment is there. Look at that. It's done, everybody. Amazing. Look how delicious that look. I'm gonna tuck in bushcraft and everybody's gonna taste this flavor right now, people. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there, fully outside, people. Amazing, people. Look at the chicken. Look at that coating. It smells so delicious, people. I'm not even gassing you. I'm gonna taste that just now. Yeah, man. Good vibes. You see me, I put up my hand of the year and I give thanks. Yeah, man, and the flavour will just touch me from all that marination, from that seasoning that M. Dot bang through, the 24-hour all-purpose seasoning mix. Yeah, man, bad boy things. Proper nice, people. Look at that. Yeah, that golden, fully jerk roasted on top of like a bucket. Yeah, man. On a ranch. Good vibes. Fully outside. Bushcraft style, you know. Yeah, man, we done did it, people. Yeah, thank you very much, people. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. There's a part 2 to this video, people. Yeah, so just stay tuned. We're there, fully outside. Yeah, man. Last night was pure vibes. Done jerk up the chicken and whatnot. So yeah, this is day 2 on the ranch, everybody. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just giving you like an insight, showing you around a little bit. We're on a farm as well, but there's actually a ranch on the farm and whatnot. So yeah, man, I'll take you inside and you guys can have a look and see the inside of the ranch. Proper authentic stuff this is. Yeah. What's this?
This is a range, like, you know, a stove.
Yeah.
We had this going back in June. Man, this thing really throws out the heat, like.
Okay.
Families just have a light fire in there, you know. Open her up and have a fire going in there.
Oh, wicked.
But it really heats the place up. There's even one.
Yeah, man. You gotta get in your knees, bro. You're gonna like it. Our designated chef supported us right up.
What's that?
They're banging, aren't they?
What's that flavour coming out of it?
Well, what did you? Chili, salt.
So over here, what I'm showing you, we've got some more bushcrafters, and they're just cooking up their own meals, and they got their own setup as well, people. Yeah, so are good vibes.
What you got in the fire?
Rabbit. Chicken, rabbit, beef, pork, lamb, potatoes underneath. They're not burning on that cold, are they? No, are they? Clicking on the edge there, man. Right, Angel's here, chopping them up. Just give them a bit of potatoes. Yeah, just give them a bit of abuse. That's it. That'll speed it up. There's Dublin farm, isn't there? I'll be here all day. What meat have we got ready?
Most of this.
Right, if we can let somewhere. Right, let's have that meat in here. This is ready.
Yes, everyone, we've got chicken here, we've got some pork, we've got some rabbit, sweet potato, baby potatoes. What's this one?
What is that? Is that a little bird, is it?
That's pheasant.
We've got a pheasant in there. What's that? What's that there?
That's some lamb.
Some lamb.
Ooh! A bit more pig.
A bit of pig there. Looking delicious.
Chicken.
Chicken.
No, that one's not done, I don't think.
No, that one needs longer.
That needs longer. I think that
This one is.
Yes, everyone, what's happening out here is the ultimate bushcraft link up in the forest, people. It's an amazing experience. What's happening is some grilled meat, different kinds of grilled meat. We've got lamb, we've got pork, we've got rabbit, we've got pheasant, we've got chicken. Yeah, man, the whole works is happening up here, people, yeah. It's a bushcraft moment, 24-hour kitchen. Ringo Vision is here, people. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes. One love vibration happening up here, people. So what's happening, we have to get a little bit of hands-on, guys, because yeah,
Yeah.
living the life. Yeah, real life, people. Yeah, this is the life. This is the life, everyone.
Yeah, I'm going to go up in a minute. Are you sure? Awesome, that was good timing, wasn't it? Tasty, yeah?
Managed to snag yourself a plate?
Roast rabbit on the grill, people. Yeah, man, we're outside, fully active, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Yeah, man, bushcraft vibration, people. Yeah, are good vibes.
Oh, gorgeous. Yeah. Oh yeah, I do a lot of pheasant during the winter. I thought it was chicken, but
What's that you trying?
Liver.
How's it taste?
Rabbit liver, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Really good. Really good.
Look at that. Amazing.
Not sure what that is.
Roasting up a bit of liver. Rabbit.
He's red wine out, he's got his meat. What's he looking? Is she looking good food?
That might be a kidney.
Don't forget to subscribe, people. You don't know, sir. Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. We're outside, and it's a bushcraft link up, people. Yeah, YouTube link up. Are good vibes.